In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use quick search in Monday.com. Whether you're a seasoned user of Monday.com or just getting started, understanding how to effectively use quick search can greatly enhance your productivity. So let's dive right in and uncover this useful feature. Picture this. You log into your Monday.com account and the first view you have is your dashboard filled with various boards and workspaces. To start, ensure you're on the Monday.com homepage, where all your projects are neatly arranged. It's from here that you'll begin to take advantage of the quick search functionality. Next, look towards the top of the page and you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. This is your quick search tool. Clicking on it opens up a world of streamlined efficiency. Imagine being able to locate any board, workspace, or item almost instantaneously. You can with this feature. Click on the search bar to proceed. Upon clicking, you'll see a drop-down list providing suggestions based on previous searches and frequently accessed items. This is a fantastic time saver, especially for those who manage multiple boards or collaborate across various teams. You can directly type in a keyword related to the board or workspace you want to access. The quick search isn't just fast, it's intuitive. It filters through all available data in your Monday.com account, so if you're unsure of an exact title, just a keyword might suffice. Once you've typed in your keyword, you'll notice the results populate dynamically as you type. This means you don't even have to finish typing the full word before potential matches appear, allowing you to surf through the results swiftly. And here's a handy tip. If your keyword is shared by several items, don't worry. Quick search lists them all for you to choose from. After pinpointing the exact board or workspace you were searching for, simply click on it from the list of results and you'll be instantly redirected. It's as simple as that. No need to sift through piles of data. Quick search takes you right where you want to go without any detours. This feature can significantly cut down the time spent navigating through Monday.com, letting you focus more on the tasks that really matter. And there you have it. You've just mastered the art of using quick search on Monday.com. Keep practicing and you'll find yourself moving around the platform more efficiently than ever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips like this one.